Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a virtual class photograph using Pixton EDU. So here I am in my Pixton Dashboard, my Pixton EDU dashboard, and you can see my class right here. Let's click on View Class. You can see my 3 students. It's a small class, my 3 students that I have here. Let's click on Class Photo. And now I have a simple class photograph with me and my 3 students. Now, if I want to, I can download this and it'll be an image file on my computer that I can use and reuse wherever I need it. Or, of course, share it on social media or email it out. Now, while we're here, let's take a look at how I went about creating my classroom. So let's go to New Classroom, and let's just call this one Demo Class Number 1. And we'll choose my grade level. Let's say I'm going to be a 6th grade teacher. And we're going to use this probably for English and social studies. I might use it for computers and science as well. You can see all of our options here. And now I can choose to either have students sign in using Google IDs or sign in using Pixton usernames. It's important to note if your students are using Google IDs, they don't have to actually be able to receive email. They just need to have a Google ID from your G Suite for Education account. Let's go ahead and use Pixton usernames and choose that option. I'm going to add some students to this class. So let's add Mason. So there's Mason. Let's put him in there. Didn't mean to type that little extra bit. And we'll add one more. There's Morrison. So those are my 3 students from our class. I'm going to hit continue here. And now my students are going to have this unique address to go in and join the class. Not only are they going to use that link to join the class, that's also going to be the link that I distribute to them when I hit this print instructions button. So that print instructions, it's going to give my list of student user names. In this case, Max is Max4680, and he's going to use that username when he goes to join into the class. Okay, so let's copy that link and bring it up on the screen. And so student is Max4680. And now Max can make his avatar. He can go through this process here of customizing himself, trying to match it to how he looks in real life, perhaps, or how he would like to look in real life. Either way. You can see all the ways that students can customize their characters here. And it's important to note that students can change these, so if they change their mind, maybe they don't want to have purple glasses forever, and they want to have red glasses or orange glasses later, they can do that. And students can choose to wear all kinds of different hats. And we'll make our student smiling. Give him an outfit. And say that he's about average height for the class. And I can pick a pose. And he can download his headshot or his full body avatar as an image. Click done, and he can see how his class photo is coming together so far. And now, of course, he can go in and start making his own comics. If you want to learn more about how to use Pixton EDU to make comics, I have some videos linked up in the description down below. So that's how you can create a virtual class photograph using Pixton EDU, and how you can create your own online class using Pixton EDU. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.